An seacht an seo táimid ag foghlaim faoin ríthair fog, to leave behind. And the theme of our spellings is ruddy scola, school items. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future. An aimsir caite. Dog me, I left. Dog two, you left. Dog she, he left. Dog she left. Dog mar, we left. Dog shiv, ye left. Dog shiad, they left. Erog, nírog. An aimsir láithreach. Fágam, I leave. Fágan tú, you leave. Fágan sé, he leaves. Fágan she leaves. Fágan mid, we leave. Fágan shiv, ye leave. Fágan siad, they leave. An bhágan, ní ágan. An aimsir áisteanach. Foggy me, I will leave. Foggy two, you will leave. Foggy sé, he will leave. Foggy she will leave. Foggy mid, we will leave. Foggy shiv, ye will leave. Foggy siad, they will leave. An bhágaí, ní ágaí. Peann Louis, pencil. Bureautor, pencil sharpener. Scrishon, rubber. Relor, ruler. Marcor, marker. Coplower, copy. Oravon, calculator. Lower, book. Skull, at school. Scissor, scissors. So our structure oberta, our sentence structure. So we always start with the verb. Dog, fágan, foggy, followed by the subject, ábhar. Rud, which is the item, and then áit, the place. So this week our sentence will be dog, subject, your school item, skull. And you can put in time if you want to make things a bit more interesting. Mar hampla, dog siad an rilor skull. They left the ruler at school. Fágan an múntóir marcor sa siopa inniu. The teacher leaves a marker in the shop today. Foggy me oravon skull. I will leave a calculator at school.
Agus tá mé déanta, we're done.